The 2016 Ram 1500. When the Dodge Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right, the Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 700 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, power passenger seat, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, power steering, front air conditioning, HomeLink garage door opener, cruise control, floor mats, automatic climate control. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.